I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think I was happy hair dancing, but yeah, today's tutorial is all about the eyebrows, so please stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. So now I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to brush up all my hairs just to separate them so I can see when I am applying the pencil on my eyes. I'm going to take the pencil Rimmel in dark brown and literally just follow the outline. When you're doing this, just take your time, no need to rush. Just follow the outline of your hairs to achieve just a nice base layout. Do you get what I mean? So now you just have to fill in the gaps of the hairs. Again, not too hard, just do it really lightly, just to fill in all the unwanted hairs. I'm going to go back in the spoolie, separate my hairs, and just to see where I've got any gaps, which is where I will then use the wonderful brow by Rimmel to fill in these empty areas, as you can see. So now I'm going to go in with this eyebrow angle brush and use the Pro Conceal LA Girl in Warm Honey just to conceal underneath my eyebrows. And at this point, you should really take your time when doing so. Do not rush, you know, there's no rush to this. No one's fighting you or racing you. Take your time when you're concealing underneath your eyebrows, you know. Your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, but you have to try and make them look the same as possible. Now I'm going to go in with the Crease Deluxe Brush by All Techniques just to buff out the concealer, just to even it out when applying the concealer. Now I'm going to go back in with that angle brush and take in the LA Girl Conceal in the colour Fawn just to conceal on top of my eyebrows. This should usually be the shade near enough to your actual foundation. So I'm just going to follow that line right down just to make that nice little sharp edge. So I'm just concealing the tip of my eyebrows just to blend into concealer. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base in colour 4. Right now, I just thought to myself, I had time to kill, so why not put in a bit of basic eyeshadow? So I'm just placing this on top of my eyelid, just blending it in. So I'm now going to go back in with the Raw Techniques Crease Deluxe brush, or another clean one should I say, and I thought, you know what, let's put on a bit of green eyeshadow, and this is from the Morphe palette, Yours True Selfie in 15T, and this colour is a 4. So I thought, let me swatch my coat that I was wearing in the beginning of the video, as you guys saw. So yeah. And then now I think I placed a brown colour, which is called Throwback. So yeah, I'm just being a bit extra, guys. So guys, this is the finishing look to the eyebrows. I'm hoping you've got a better understanding of how to do the eyebrows. I tried to keep it as simple as possible, so hopefully you guys got it. You know, these are my go-to eyebrows. I love them. God, I don't know where I was going with this eyeshadow. But anyway, please like, subscribe and share this video. And I shall see you soon on my next video.